Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website where you can get these transitional hook videos which is normally used in social medias. So you might see various Instagram and TikTok videos, especially shorts and reels, where you get initially these kinds of hooks which will glue the users to the video. So initially, when someone sees the video, it takes around 3 seconds for them to decide whether for them to watch the video or not to watch the video. So in that case, it becomes all the more important to have some kinds of hooks that you can relate to and connect to so that users watch the remaining video. So you can come to this website called transitionalhooks.com. Here you will be able to see various hooks. So whether it is a person jumping from a building, whether who is rolling, someone who is jumping from a zip line, whether it is opening a watermelon split, or someone who is putting something on the ground. So you can add audio to it. I think audio is already there, so you can use that. So there are various videos like this if you see. So if you use it in cleverly with combination with your video, then it will carry a lot of impact for your videos, and it might even go viral. So you can check this out. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.